Hi guys, and welcome back to the Candicia Creations channel. So today I'm going to be doing my baby's nails.
Yay.
Yes, we're going to be giving her some really long coffin shaped nails because she's wanted
I just want short nails. Not like this. It's irritating to pick stuff up.
Obviously I'm just playing. We're going to give her some little short nails. We're pretty much just going to make up the design as we go along. Yeah. So the nails I'm going to be doing on her today are basically press-on nails, but instead of me doing them on the thing that I normally use, I can't remember what you'd call it.
Mannequin.
I'm going to do them directly on her hands. So I prepped her nails and I stuck the press-on nails to her natural nails. And now I'm just cutting them.
And fling them in my face.
Now I'm just cutting them short because obviously she's 8.
I feel like my finger's gonna...
Your finger's not going to get cut, Shantae.
Chopped off.
That is much better.
Finally, I can pick stuff up.
So I'm going to use this nail file just to file down the nails and just shape the tip a bit better.
You think you're going to do a voiceover?
I'm going to use this audio. This is why I'm talking through it now. I don't want to do no more audio. Girl.
What does that do? They're trying to make it round.
I'm trying to straighten them so they're actually straight and not bent to the sides. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So I'll let you look at your hands in a second to compare, okay?
They hurt less being short.
Yeah, they would do because when they're long, they have like the curved end, so it makes them a little bit tighter.
Why are you wearing gloves?
Because you're my client and I don't want my germs going on you, of course.
But I'm a child.
All your germs going on me. It's because my hands look crusty right now. So now I'm just going to use my e-file with a sanding band to just go over the nails and rough up the surface because gel doesn't really like sticking to shiny surfaces like this. So we need to give them a little bit of texture.
Why is there like sand everywhere?
It's the dust from the nails that I'm filing down. You know what sand's made of?
It's made of rocks.
Good girl, good job. You guys are very clever. Give me your hands. Thank you.
Now are you gonna paint them?
Girl, chill.
That's the part I've been waiting for.
I know.
It's the most interesting part.
So my daughter wants to have some pretty light blue nails. So I don't have blue in the shade that she wants. So I'm pretty much just going to make it myself using these nail polishes from Lavender Violets. They are gel polishes. I don't think they actually have names or numbers. I'm not sure. They do have these numbers at the bottom. Some of them I really can't make out what the hell the number is. I don't feel like they sell that many variations of colors. So just the blue and the white. So I'm going to use this art brush to apply the gel polish to her nails. It is meant to be a painting brush, but I've always used it for my gel polishes. So
I'm so excited to see the color. Oh, that's perfect.
That's
it
perfect.
It kind of matches this.
It does. I feel like this matches the foil you want to use perfectly as well.
It's so perfect. I just want to see you paint. Every nail that color except this one and this one.
So we'll paint every finger this color other than your ring fingers, okay? I'm trying to apply a relatively thin coat. We don't want it to be too thick.
I do want it to be thick.
We don't want it to be too thick.
Why?
Because if I apply it too thick, then it might not cure properly.
Are you going to paint over it?
Of course. So instead of doing like one super thick coat that might not cure properly, we do 2.
But why did you not do the front?
Because when you put your hand in the lamp to cure, your thumb goes in sideways, and that means that the gel polish will run into the sides of your thumb. So I'm going to cure those 3 nails first and then move on to the other hand and do the pinky finger, the ring finger and the index finger on the other hand as well. I don't want to do the thumbnail as well, and then cure them all at the same time, because it is gel polish and it has the potential to run into her cuticles or into the side of the nails. So now I'm just going to do the second coat of gel polish on these nails. I'm getting a lot of this dust inside this gel polish, which is super annoying. You won't see it once they're actually done.
Is this the second coat of that hand? When Melissa sees it's going to be like, so cool, Nini. I don't think you're going to have enough time to do this.
I wasn't going to do press on nails on her.
What was he going to do?
Just paint her nails. So now I'm going to use this Urban Graffiti foil glue gel, and I'm going to apply it to the ring finger on both hands. My daughter is sick and tired of this now.
I hope it's worth it.
Of course it'll be worth it. Alright, put that hand in the lamp, please. So my daughter said that she wants to use this foil on this nail, and that is exactly what we're going to do. Oh, the colour looks a little bit different now. Oh, it got darker. So I'm going to cut a strip of this foil off. I'm gonna cut this in half just to make it a little bit easier for me to apply to this nail. I'm just gonna try and figure out where I want these flowers to be. And I'm just gonna press down on that foil really hard to get it to transfer properly onto that nail. So I'm making sure to really press down on this foil because I don't want gaps in the foil. If there are, it's okay. I'll find a way to cover them up. But
Mommy, what should I do my nails right now? After. But it's taking long.
sorry, Bubba. It does take a while. So I'm going to peel it off slowly and check to see if I need to press down on any bits that haven't transferred properly. So I'm going to do like a glitter ombre on a couple of her nails using this Model 1 glitter gel. It comes in a set. There's like, I think there's 4 different colours.
It looks watery.
3, 4. No, there's 6 different colours.
It looks very watery, Mummy.
Oh, it's alright. It is quite loose. I prefer to get it kind of from the lid because I feel like the glitter's a little bit more concentrated. I'm sort of patting the glitter around the cuticle area, and then I'm kind of just gently bringing it down a little bit. We're going to cure that one, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. I'm basically going to do it layer by layer and just build that glitter up to a nice ombre. I'm going to add another layer. So these layers are really thin. I prefer to do glitter ombres in this way because I feel like you just end up with a better result instead of just trying to do it all at once and just glooping the glitter down. It just comes out a lot better like this. So now I'm just going to add a final layer. So this brush I'm using actually came with these Model Ones glitter gel set, and you can literally just cover it up, put it away, and then take it out like that, and then do that when you want to use it. I really like this brush, to be honest. So my daughter's decided that she wants to do an X on her middle fingernails using this little gold, what do we call this, striping tape, I guess. I think that's what it's called. So that's what we're gonna do.
Alicia's gonna love my nails.
She is.
I showed her and she looked at the TV and said, yeah.
Yeah, she's busy right now. Alright, so give me a finger. Okay, so I've used my little pinchy pinch tools. What are these called? These are not tweezers. My nippers, they're called nippers. Alright, so I've used my nippers to get this thread out. I'm gonna chop it off because we don't want that scraggly end bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the striping tape down on her nails. I'm gonna try and use my tweezers to position it where I want it to be and try and make my life easier. So I'm just using my nippers to clip off the ends of that striping tape. I'm going to use this Urban Graffiti top coat to top coat that nail so that striping tape doesn't go anywhere, because if you leave this on the nail just like that, it is going to lift.
And can you put some on this nail too?
I will. I'll get around to that, don't worry. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other hand.
Mom, when I sleep, do I snore?
Not really, you know.
But when you sleep, you snore.
Thank you for letting me know that. I'm just going to press down on that striping tape to make sure it's nice and flat, and then I'm going to top coat this now with the Urban Graffiti gel top coat again.
I feel like it's been 10 hours right now.
Are we done with these nails, or do you want to do anything else?
Done.
We're done.
We just need to add some top coat on this nail.
Okay, so now I'm just going to top coat all of the nails and the middle one again. Okay, so now that these nails are done, I'm going to, well, first of all, I'm going to get some, I'm going to get some alcohol, and I'm going to go over this nail with this finger just to get rid of the transfer fold that was left on her fingers. So now we're left with a really clean design. And now I'm just going to add some pink pineapple cuticle oil. So these are the finished nails, and I think they are super cute. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching me do my baby's nails. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.